Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Elementor forms directly to Google Sheets. This powerful integration allows you to automatically capture form submissions without any manual effort. We'll use Elementor Pro's built-in webhook feature alongside a simple Google Apps script. This ensures a seamless and efficient data flow, making your data collection process much smoother. You'll need an Elementor Pro license and a Google account to get started with this straightforward setup. First, let's prepare your Google Sheet to receive the data. Begin by creating a brand new Google Sheet and setting up your column headers. These headers should match the names of the fields in your Elementor form. Next, go to the Extensions menu, select App Script, and paste in a short script that will turn your sheet into a web application endpoint. Finally, deploy this script as a new web app, ensuring you grant all required permissions for it to function correctly. Now, let's configure your Elementor form. Open the form you wish to connect in the Elementor editor. Under the Actions after Submit section, add a webhook action. This is where the magic happens. You'll then paste the unique URL generated from your deployed Google Apps script into the webhook URL field. Crucially, ensure you map each of your Elementor form fields to the exact column names you set up in your Google Sheet. This ensures data lands in the right place. Finally, it's time to test your connection. Go to your live Elementor form and submit a test entry with some sample data. Then, head over to your Google Sheet and confirm that the submitted information has appeared correctly in the designated columns. Double-check that every form field is accurately mapped. This robust, real-time system will now automatically capture all your form submissions, providing you with a streamlined and efficient data collection process for your website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.